welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a few fragrances that I wanted to bring to the table. You all see the title. I need your help, okay? I need my family's help in picking my next fragrance that will be in my collection, okay? You know, by the time you see this, I have gone and probably come back from vacation. I don't know, but I am looking to purchase a fragrance, and I'm trying to see what am I going to purchase when I get back. So I wanted my family to comment down below. Let me know what you would purchase and put in your collection, okay? So let's talk about it. Now, I talked about this fragrance and I did not think that I would like it or that I did like it. But I have been testing and wearing it, and my mind has changed a little bit to the point where, or a lot of it, to the point where I'm like, yeah, I think I'm gonna purchase it, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. But you all know I've been on a hunt. I don't know if you call it a hunt, but I've been looking for a good tea scent that I could really put in my collection and enjoy. Well, let's talk about her. This is Donna Born in Roma, and this is Stravaganza. Yeah, Green Stravaganza, okay? And so I have been testing and wearing this. I've enjoyed this. This has actually been really pleasant and very calming, right? But it's been a very pleasant tea note because it gives a little of a sweet vanilla in it. So I've really enjoyed this, and I'm thinking about getting a full bottle. Now, I don't think I'm going to get, what is it, like the 3.4 ounce? I don't think I'm going to get the big bottle, but I think I might get the 1.7 ounce, okay? So comment down below. Let me know, out of all the ones that I share with you, would you get this? Would you add this to your collection? Do you have this? What are your thoughts? I really feel this is so calming, and in this spring, summertime, this might be the tea note that I need to have. I have really loved this. Now, I haven't gotten compliments on this, so I will say this sits closer to skin. I haven't gotten compliments as of late or yet, but I would love to know, do you have this? Have you gotten compliments? Do you like, I mean, it seems like I would need to over spray this, but you know, tell me your thoughts. I think this may be, but let's move on. Let's not stay there because I do have some other things that I want to discuss with the family, and you know, you all tell me what I should get. Moving on. Next up, I have a fragrance that has honey, frangipani, okay, hawthorn in this. I just don't know. I've been wanting this. Okay, let me go back. I've been wanting this fragrance for quite a while, but the price tag on it, I'm like, do I need this in my collection? I think I do, but I don't know. So help me out. Hook your sis up. But I'm talking about none other than Beige, okay? Chanel. I have a sample. Actually, this is my second sample that I have been testing. I have another sample that I ran through that, okay? So maybe I just have one. Okay, this might be my last one. Okay, it is what it is. But I love Chanel Beige. Now, I will say, this gives me very powdery, and there is a note in there that sometimes I love and sometimes I do not. I don't know if it's the hawthorn it is, because I don't know really what that is. Now, I know it's like a white floral note, but I don't know if it's very, I don't want to say mossy, but you know the pollen. Okay, let me go there. Like, you know how pollen, you could, you know what pollen is. Okay, you know what pollen is. But it gives me like how you see pollen in that white fluffy stuff, that it gives me like that that's what's in here. And so I don't know if I love it enough to buy it at the price tag that it is, or did I just want it because I've always wanted it. I've always wanted to own Beige. I've always heard wonderful things about it. Even when I wear it, it's really good. But I just don't know if I want to own it, okay? And it also has Frisian in it. So this is a great white floral. So if I was looking for a white floral fragrance, this would probably be something that I would want to add. Now, I don't know in my life, I am so gourmand, you know, any gourmand, foodie gourmand, floral gourmand, whatever. Like, I'm so into those notes that I don't know if a heavy white floral fragrance is really for me in this season, this time. But I don't know. You all let me know your thoughts. Again, I have like the small travel size that I've been testing out and I've enjoyed it. People have enjoyed it around me. I've gotten compliments. I just don't know. When I look at that price tag, I'm like, is it worth that price tag? Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know if I want to put my coins to that. So again, let me know your thoughts, your experience. I would love to see your comments below. So now I'm in between the Born in Roma, the Green Stravaganza, or the Chanel Beige, okay? We have a little bit more to think about, but let me know your thoughts. I would love to know. I'm thinking about adding them to my collection, okay? Up next, we have, I love her. I love her. And that is Floralstreet, okay? And this is the Sweet Almond Blossom. So when I first sprayed this was like love at first sniff. I really enjoyed. Now, although I love Floralstreet and just the brand, I don't, ooh, it's so good. So maybe, I just don't know if I need this in my life. By my eyes, I might need this in my life. It's so good. I just, So when I first spray this, I really get a heavy note of like apple and fruity notes, but I also get this sandalwood. You all know I love sandalwood, right? This also has a tea note in it, and it is matcha tea, all right? I have another matcha tea fragrance from Replica that I do enjoy, but this is a fruity gourmand, and that is where I am in life with fragrances. I love the fruity, I love the gourmand. It gives this beautiful sandalwood woody fragrance, and I absolutely am enjoying wearing this. And so I think this might be one that I absolutely add to my collection out of all of these, but you let me know your thoughts. The only thing I hesitate about Floralstreet is just the lasting. I wish it lasts longer. This is definitely an easy reach, but it's not going to give me hours wear. It's not going to project to the masses. And so when we're going into the summer season, I am really all about like not having something so heavy, but I just don't know. I don't know. So I really enjoy this scent. I believe I'm going to add this. Either way, I'm going to add this. I just don't know if I want it right now. Okay. So again, oh, so good, but family, I need your help. Let me know what I should get, okay? Next up, we have Flowerbomb Tiger Lily. Do you all have this? Do y'all have this? What are you all's thoughts? I need to know. I will say this one is very tropical, right? So it's great in the moment. Like if you have a trip coming up, this would be a great pairing for a tropical trip. If you're looking for tropical coconut and that type of scent. If you don't even mind kind of a little suntan type of fragrant-ish, if you don't mind that type of scent, you would absolutely love this. Now, I don't know if this really stands out in my collection, right? There are so many other fragrances that I have in my collection that might take the cake of this, but in turning down a coconut tropical scent, it's very hard for me to do that. And I think I want to add this to my collection. It's so good and yummy. So you all see, this is very hard. It is very hard to, I'm not going to purchase all of them right now. I might down the line. We might go in steps, but I do want to treat myself. My birthday is coming up, so I am looking for a birthday fragrance that I can treat myself with. So I'm not going to get all of them, so I need to dwindle it down to what I'm going to get for myself for my birthday. And so that's why we are here, okay? And there is one other that I am thinking about adding. I don't have a sample, but it's called Pink Magnolia, and it's by Loewe, okay? I don't know if you all have heard of this. I've had great success with the brand of Loewe, and I'm thinking about adding this to my collection. I heard about this fragrance from Aaliyah's Face. If you all know her on YouTube, she talked about this, but it is Pink Magnolia. I'm thinking about getting that. Let me know, have you all heard of it? Have you experienced it? I would love to know your thoughts. It seems like it's a more floral but also fruity fragrance, which I have been into. It has your red fruit, your magnolia, your sandalwood, and musk. And you all know those notes are really right up my alley. So those are my choices that I'm thinking about gifting myself for, again, my birthday. Let me know what I should get in full bottle. I would just love to know your thoughts on some of these fragrances. So I'm just coming to the table. Comment down below. Let me know what I should get, and it'll probably be in my collection. What fragrances are you testing out that you have had great experiences? I would love to know. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you give me the thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.